Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how you can send money from Cash App to PayPal. Since there's no direct transfer option between the two apps, you'll need to use a linked bank account as the bridge. First, open Cash App and make sure your bank account is connected. Transfer the amount of money you want from Cash App into your linked bank account. This usually only takes a short time, depending on whether you choose Instant Transfer or the standard option. Once the money arrives in your bank account, open PayPal and log in. Go to Add Money or Transfer Money and select the same linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to move into PayPal and confirm the transfer. Within a short period, your Cash App balance will successfully appear in your PayPal account through the bank link. And that's the easiest way to move money from Cash App to PayPal. Subscribe the channel for more videos.